Huh? And then al-ladhina comes, what is it? Naat. Huh? Okay. Hum ibadur rahmani. Hum mubtada ibadu khabar mudaf mudaf ilayhi. What kind of a jumla is this? Jumla ismiya. And what is the place of this jumla? Silatul mawsul. Silatul mawsul. Fine, brother. In Asan is your mafulun bihi number 2. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now, third one. The meaning is to make, in other words, to create only. Only to create. Halaka. If you use jala in the meaning of halaka, then it takes only one mafulun bihi, brothers and sisters. What is the verse from the Quran? Alhamdulillah, alladhi khalaqa as-samawati wal-ard, wa ja'ala al-dhulamati wan-nura. So, brother, if you say ja'ala, brothers and sisters, it is verb. Where is mafulun bihi? Dhulamati. Is that a mafulun bihi with a kasra? Why? Jama muannas salim. Very good, brother. And then waw comes and nura. This is mawtufun ala zulamat. Very good, brothers and sisters. All praises for Allah who created the heavens and the earth and made darkness and light. Number 4, brothers and sisters. D. To begin. And what is this, brothers and sisters? I have written here Af'alul shuru. What is it, brother? Af'alul shuru. The verbs of beginning. Remember tafiqa, akhadha, ja'ala. They are called af'alul shuru. Those who know Urdu, they understand the meaning of shuru. Shuru karna. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. In this sense, it acts like kana and has ism and khabar. Now this next sentence has to be highlighted. This is extremely, extremely important. Its khabar is a verbal sentence with the verb in mudariya. This is the condition. Please highlight this. The khabar of ja'ala, if it acts like a kana, the khabar has to be a verbal sentence and the verb has to be mudariya. Extremely, extremely important to understand. Ja'ala hamidun yad ribuni. Ja'ala hamidun yad ribuni. How will you translate? Hamid began to hit me. Inshallah. That's it, brothers and sisters. Now we go to our main book. Number 9. وَجَعَلْتُهُ بَيْنَكُمْ مُحَرَّمًا. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is that who, brothers and sisters? Maf'ulun bihi, number 1, and muharraman. What is the meaning of who here? Zulm, oppression. Zulm, remember? Oppression. To oppress other people. Allah has made it haram between the masses. We cannot oppress each other, brother. Remember? Fala tazalamu. Remember? Fala tazalamu. Do not oppress each other. It's haram. Allah has made it haram, brothers and sisters. Ja'ala huna min af'alil tahwili. Tahwili. Brother, what kind of a word is this tahwili? Master, from hawala. You hawwilu, to change. Okay, brothers and sisters? To alter. To convert something. وَهِيَ بِمَعْنَى sayyara. What is the meaning of sayyara? To change. To change, brother. Sayyara, yusayyiru, The meaning is change. Tansibu maf'ulaini. It has two maf'ulun bihi. Asluhuma. What is asluhuma, brothers and sisters? What is the original? Mubtada and khabar. Ja'allahu al-khamara haraman. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Two maf'ulun bihi. Wa fi tanzili, brothers and sisters. Alam taraw kayfa khalaqa Allahu sab'a samawatin tibakan. وَجَعَلَ الْقَمَرَ فِيهِنَّ نُورًا وَجَعَلَ الشَّمْسَ سِرَاجًا. Okay, fine, brothers and sisters. Alam taraw. What is this taraw here? Majzoom. What kind of verb is this? Ra'a yara. What is it? Ra'a yara. Brother? Another important verb that we should conjugate. Even if you cannot do it in writing, mentally we should be very alert to conjugate it. Ready, brothers and sisters? Ra'a, ra'aya, ra'aw. And then ra'at, ra'ata, ra'ayna, ra'ayta. So you should be able to do it beautifully, inshallah. And this will help you to do other verbs in a very, very easy manner, inshallah. Yara, brothers and sisters. Yara, yarayani, yarawna. What is it, brother? Yarawna. And then tara, tarayani, yarain, yaraina. Are you with me? Yaraina. Okay? Tara, tarayani, tarawna, tarayna, tarayani, again, tarayna, and then ara and nara. So, hum will become yarawna. Make it majzoom, brothers and sisters. You'll drop the noon. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. So, alam taraw kayfa khalaqa Allahu sab'a samawatin, how Allah has created. Didn't they see how Allah has created sab'a samawatin? What is the meaning of tibakan, brother? One over the other. So, tibakan is here mansoob. What is it? Sister Maimuna? What is it? Hal. What is it? It is hal. In what condition? They are one over other. So tibakan is hal. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. And then of course ja'ala kamara, number 1 mafulun bihi, nuran number 2 mafulun bihi, and shamsa 1 mafulun bihi, sirajan mafulun bihi number 2. Wallahu ja'ala lakum arda bisatan. Here we have 2 mafulun bihi, al-arda and bisatan. What is the meaning of bisatan? Spread, like a carpet. Okay. We did this a little while ago. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَعَلَ النَّاسَ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَعَلَ النَّاسَ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً. Okay, now this is the next one, brother. Watati jala bimana zanna. To think, to deem. Wahiya min af'alul rujhani. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Nahwa. Wajalul malaikata. We already did that, brothers and sisters. Allazina hum ibadur rahmani inasan. Jala bihadaini ma'anaini min akhwatu. Min akhwatu zan, brother. Are you with me? Ja'ala bihadainil ma'anaini min akhwati zan. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? In that case also there will be 2 mafulun bihi, brothers and sisters. Wa takunu aidan, and it can be also min af'alul shuru. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? وَتَعْمَلُ حِينَئِذٍ عَمَلَ كَانَ. And it does the job at that time, the job of kama. It does the job of kana. نحو جعل حامد يضربني وقد مرت بك في درس السابق. You know, and we have passed by it in the previous lessons, brothers and sisters. تأتي بمعنى أوجد. What is the meaning of أوجد? To create. What is the meaning of أوجد? To create, brother and sister. وهي فعل تام, and it is a complete verb. وتنصب مفعولا واحدا كما في قوله تعالى الحمد لله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وجعل الظلمات والنور. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now comes our test. أي معنى جعل فيما يأتي. Specify the meaning of jala in what follows. Number 1. Jala al-mudarrisu yashrahu darsa. What is the meaning of it, brothers and sisters? Translation. The teacher began to explain the dars. So brother began. This will be min af'al ash-shuru. Min af'al ash-shuru, in which we have tafika, akhaza, etc., etc. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُوبًا وَكَبَائِلًا. Yeah, this is af'alul tahwil. You know, you cause something to become something. جعل الله الهواء والماء. جعل الله الهواء والماء. But then in this case, it means create. فعل تام. This is أوجد. قال المدرس للطالب أجعلتني مديرا. You thought that I am a mudir, so this is min afalu zan. Here gives the meaning of to think and to deem. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Is it clear? Fine, brothers and sisters. Number 10. But before we proceed, I wrote down a sentence here which we read almost every day. وَجَعَلَهُ غُثَاءً أَحْوَى. Brother and sister, where is it? سَبِّحِ اسْمَ رَبِّكَ الْأَعْلَى الَّذِي خَلَقَ فَسَوَّى وَالَّذِي قَدَّرَ فَهَدَى وَالَّذِي أَخْرَجَ الْمَرْعَى فَجَعَلَهُ غُثَاءً أَحْوَى. Where are two mafulun bihis? Who and gusa'an. And what is this ahwa? It is naat, because it has got at the end alif maksura. You do not see the vowel signs, but it is mansub and it is the naat for gusa'an. Inshallah. Now we come to number 10, kafaya. Yaw mutakallim. Maftuhatun. Brother, tell me the translation of this. Yahu mutakallim maftuhatun. Yahu mutakallim has a fatah. What is it? Yahu mutakallim has a fatah. It does not end in sukoon, but it ends in fatah. Ma ismi, with the ism, ahiruhu alfun. Aw ya'u sakinatani. If there is a alif with a sukoon and ya with a sukoon, and you add ya mutakallim, brothers and sisters, then it gets a fatah. Then ya mutakallim becomes maftuhatun. That's all, brothers and sisters. Now, for example, asaya. What is the meaning of asaya? My stick. Huh? And fataya? My young boy. Huh? My young boy. And dunyaya? My world, brother. Yadaya? My hands. Gasaltu? Yadayya. Huh? Are you with me? Mafulun bihi. Huh? Yadayya. Huh? Because there are two yas, one with a sukoon. Are you clear with this? I will write down one more time. Yadani became Yadaini. Then we added Ya Mutakallim. Huh? And then we dropped the noon. Okay, brothers and sisters? Then because there is a Ya Sakin, we change the sukoon into fatah. Now this thing became, brothers and sisters, Yadayya. Inshallah, you will not forget this. Huh? Tamreenun shafaviyun yas'alu kullu talibin zamilahu matastaikasta, which is actually mata istaikasta. Matastaikasta. Translation? When did you get it? Huh? Then you have to reply. How will you reply? Istaikastu. How will you reply? Istaikastu. I woke up. Huh? And then you have to say the time. Istaikastu asa'ata sabi'ata sabahan. Istaikastu asa'ata sadisata sabahan. 6 o'clock. Are you with me? Istaikastu asa'ata sabi'ata sabahan. 7 o'clock. Okay? Next question. Waman aikadaka. Translation? Who woke you up? Huh? Tell me who wakes you up, brothers and sisters. Okay. Brothers, sisters, mother. Huh? How will you reply now? If it's a masculine, you will say, Aikadani. Are you with me? Aikadani akhi. But make it ummi, what will you say? Aikazat. Aikazat ni ummi. Aikazat ni ummi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Aikazat ni ummi. Then you have to have a muannas. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Clear? Sometimes I want to be assured that you have understood it well, inshallah. Next one, brothers and sisters. Hati mudariya. Ala fa'al al-atiyati. This is very easy exercise, brother. Ghalaba yaglibu. Ghalaba yaglibu. To overpower somebody, to conquer, to triumph. Habata yahbitu. To land, brothers and sisters. Kasa yaksu. To dress somebody. To cloth. Aftara yuftiru. What is the meaning of aftara yuftiru? To break fast. To have a breakfast. Asarra yusirru. To talk to somebody in secret. To tell something to someone in secret. Akrada yukridu. To loan somebody. Akrada yukridu. To give a loan to somebody. What is the next one, brother? Exercise? Uskur abab. Is that the exercise?
Yes.
Oh, iktarada. I beg your pardon. Iktarada. What is the meaning of iktarada? Huh? Brother? To borrow. What is the meaning of iktarada? To borrow. Huh? To borrow. Huh? Fine, brothers and sisters. Next one. اذكر أبواب الأفعال الواردة في حديث أبي ذر. If you want, we'll go back so that you get a good practice. Huh? I'll go back, brother, to the lesson. It's a good exercise. Let us do it again, brothers and sisters. Every verb in this hadith. In Abi Dharrin and in Nabiyyi فيما روي عن الله تبارك وتعالى أنه قال. Brother, start from the beginning. Where is the first verb? Ruwiya. Huh? What is ruwiya? It is madi, majhul. What is madi, ma'lum? Rawa, yarvi. Huh? To narrate. Huh? Okay, fine. Tabaraka. Form 6, madi. Huh? Wa ta'ala. Form 6, madi. How will you say tabaraka? Tafa'ala. Huh? You have to give a wazan. Huh? And the next one will also be tafa'ala. Got the idea? Very good. Annahu ka'ala. What is ka'ala? Madi. Ya ibadi inni harramtu. What is harrama? Fa'ala. Form 2. Bab taf'il. Okay? Zulma ala nafsi. Ja'altuhu. Ja'ala. Madi. Fine, brother and sister. Fala tazalamu. What is tazalamu? Form 6. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Very good. We are going to check out each and every verb. Where is the next form, brother and sister? No, dalun is not the verb. It is not the verb. We are only looking for, dalun is ism fa'il. We are looking for verb. Hadaita. Are you with me? Hada yahdi. Hadaituhu. So hada yahdi. What is hada yahdi? It is madi. Nakis al-ya'i. And nakisu al-ya'iyu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. Fastahduni. What is this, brothers and sisters? Form 10. Ifta'ala. Very good. Ahdikum. What is this? This is mudariya. Hada yahdi. Very good. Next one. At'amtuhu. What is at'ama? Form 4, brothers and sisters. Fastata'imuni. Form 10. Form 10, brother. Ut'imukum. Form 4. Form 4. Maybe we should ask to have samosas if you make a mistake. Okay, yeah. Kasawtu. What is kasawtu? Madi. Kasa yaksu. Fastaksuni. Form 10. Aksukum. Aksukum. Mudariya. Is form 1 you can say. Mudariya. Okay. Tukhtiuna. Form 4. What is it? Form 4. Brothers and sisters, if you can identify these, then alhamdulillah, you are doing extremely well in your studies, inshallah. وَأَنَا أَغْفِرُ وَأَنَا أَغْفِرُ Mudariya. But it is first form. What is it, brother and sister? First form, the base form. Or you can say form 1. Okay? And it is mudariya. Fine, brother and sister. Fastaghfiruni. Form 10, brother. Aghfir is form 1. Next one, brother. Rawahu. What is Rawa? Form 1. We are taking everything. Every word mentioned in this from beginning to the end. Okay. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. We go forward, brothers and sisters. Hati mufrad. Hawaija. Hajatun. Is everybody clear? Hajatun. Necessity. Next one, brothers and sisters. Shurtatun. Shurtiyun. Huh? Shurtiyun. What is the jama of al-kafa? Akfiyatun. What is it? Al-akfiyatun. Like amsilatun, as'ilatun, ajvibatun, adviyatun, akfiyatun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Akfiyatun. Write down, I'll write down one more time. Ma aslu tazalamu. Ma aslu tazalamu. Fi qawlihi alayhi salatu wassalam. Fala tazalamu. What is original, brother? Fala tatazalamu. What is it, brothers and sisters? Fala tatazalamu. Very good. Now we come to number 16. Yujma'u arin ala uratin. Ala wazni fu'alatin. Okay. So wazan is this. What is the wazan? Fu'alatun. So Arin, brother and sister, Arin became which is actually, brothers and sisters, are you with me? Remember Arin. What is Arin? Arin Mankus. So what is Arin? Ariyun. So there is a Ya there. Huh? So this, brother, Alif is actually Ya. Huh? Ura Ya Tun. Fu'a Latun. Are you with me? So think of this and make it on the wazan of Fu'a Latun, but you will end up doing something like this. Huh? Next one, brothers and sisters. Ijma asmal atiyata hazal jama. See, mashin. Huh? What will be mashin? Mushatun. What will be? Mushatun. Mashin will be mushatun. Correct, brother? Actually it is mushayatun. What is it? Mushayatun. Huh? Just for our information, brother. And Qadin will be, yes, sister.
In the book it's given, when you give the word, it says Fa'alatin.
Yes, Sister Naima, look at it. Huh? Look at it. Ala wazani. What is ala? So what is wazani? Ism majrur. Wa huwa mudaf. And fu'alatin is mudaf ilayhi. It is just because of being a mudaf ilayhi. If you do not make it mudaf ilayhi, then what it will be? Fu'alatun. Now we got to understand like that. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. These things, you will feel that there is a kasra here, but when you think little deeply, then you know that maybe there was a harf sharf before it, or there was a mudaf before it. Huh? So then it will become qadin qudatun. Originally it will be qudayatun. Hadin hudatun. Originally hudayatun. Okay. Ramin. To throw. Rama yarmi. Thrower. Ramin rumatun. Brother, Walin is a governor. Wulatun. Ghazin Ghuzatun. Hafin is barefooted. Hafin is barefooted. So, Hufatun. Originally, Hufayatun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Walin can also mean Hakim. Remember? Hakim. Okay. Now, the last one, brother. Nawasibu Mudariya. Okay. Nawasibul Mudariya Arbatu Ahrufin. There are 4 particles. Nawasibu Mudariya are 4 particles. An wahiya harfu masdariyatin wa nasbin wa istiqbali. Nahwu. Wallahu yuridu an yatuba alaykum. Allah wants to turn to you in forgiveness. Allah wants to forgive you. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? All you have to understand, brothers and sisters, that an will always make the fi'l mudari'a into mansub, and it has the meaning of a masdar. That is why we call it harfu masdariyatin wa nasbin wa istiqbali. Now this is something new. Before we used to say an nasbin wa masdariyatin. Now you can change that an harfu masdariyatin wa nasbin. Doesn't make any difference. Okay? And now we have to add wastiqbali, future. Fine. Lan wa hiya harfu nafyin wa nasbin wastiqbal. It will give you the meaning of future. Qala innaka lan tastatiya ma'i sabran. Ma'iya sabran. Brother? Innaka. Inna harfu taqid wa nasbin. And ka is your ismun. And the whole jumla is khabar inna. Okay. Lan is what we can say harfu nafiyin wa nasbin wastiqbalin. Tastati'a. What kind of a verb is this? Form 10. It is form 10 and it is mansub. Okay. Ma'i. What is ma'i? Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. No, what is sabran? What is sabran? No. Maf'ulun bihi. This is the maf'ulun bihi for tastati'a. This is sabran, brother and sister. It is not hal. Sister Manas, it is maf'ulun bihi. You cannot have sabr with me. So it is maf'ulun bihi. You can't have what? Sabr. So maf'ulun bihi. Kai. وَهِيَ حَرْفُ مَصْدَرِيَةٍ وَنَسْبٍ وَاسْتِقْبَالِ. Just like an. No difference. Kai nusabbihaka kathiran. What is kathiran? Mafulun mutlaq. Kay nusabbihaka kasiran. So that we can glorify you a lot. Okay, brothers and sisters? What is missing here? No. Likai. If kai is there, li is there. If it is not written, but it is there. Huh? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Think like that. Huh? Idhan وهي حرف جواب وجزاء ونسب واستقبال. نحو. Hamid says, brothers and sisters, سأزورك غدا إن شاء الله. سأزورك غدا إن شاء الله. What is the answer? إذن أنتظرك. إذن أنتظرك. Alhamdulillah, brother. We finished the lesson. We still have some time. We will carry on with the next lesson. Now in next lesson, brothers and sisters, we have 4-letter verbs. What is it? 4-letter verbs. Fi'l rubai. So far we have done fi'l sulasi. Now it is fi'l rubai. It's very easy, very interesting. In fi'l sulasi, how many babs we had? 6 babs. Fi'l sulasi, how many babs? 6 babs. What are they? Bab nasara, bab daraba, bab fataha, bab karuma, bab samia, bab hasiba. How many babs in fi'l rubai? You do not have to worry. There are no babs. There is only one thing. Madi and Mudariya. Okay? But it has the mazid forms, just like fi'l sulasi. It has the mazid forms. It's very interesting, and it comes in the Quran all the time. So inshallah, we will do it, brothers and sisters. And let us today do the basic form, okay, which is the root word in fi'l sulasi is fa'ala. And what is the root of fi'l rubai? Fa'alala. What is it? Fa'alala. And since there are 4 letters, brothers and sisters, what will happen to alamatu mudariya, harfu mudariya? Because it is 4 letters. You fa lilu. What will happen, brother? You fa lilu. You fa lilu. And the most common of 4-letter verb is tarajama. What is it? Tarajama. Okay, brothers and sisters? Tarajama. How will you make it mudariya? You tarjima. Use all the knowledge that you have, brothers and sisters. Make amar from tarjama. How many chops? Tarjim. Are you with me? Now, master, also very easy. Very easy. Those who speak Urdu know it. Tar. That's it. You say tarjama. Tarjamatun. Fine. Make ism fa'il. Mutarjimun. Mutarjimun. Are you with me? The one who translates. Make it ism maful. Mutarjamu. See, can there be anything easier than this? It's very easy. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Let's go to the verbs in the dars. Inshallah. And then you will do a lot of conjugation. Do the conjugation, brother. Things will become easy for you. We start with number 2, brothers and sisters. Al-fi'lu imma thulasiyun wa imma rubaiyun. Everybody there? Page number 223. Page number 223. Al-fi'lu imma thulasiyun wa imma rubaiyun. How will you translate? The verb, either it is 3 letter or it is 4 letter. For sulasiyu, ma fihi, what is this ma allazi? For sulasiyu, here ma is ma mausula, which has the meaning of allazi. Fihi thalathatu uhrafin asli. In fi'l sulasi there are 3 original letters. Nah, kataba, sallama, inkasara. Waqad darastahu. You have already studied it, brothers and sisters. Amma rubayu, fama kana fihi arba'atu ahrufin asli. There are 4 root verbs, the original verbs. Wahuwa imma mujarradun wa imma mazidun. It can be pure 4 letters or it can have a mazid form also. Fal mujarradu lahu babun wahidun. It has got only one form, no other form. Wazanuhu, its pattern or weight or form is fa'alala. Now, tarjama. What is the meaning of tarjama? He translated. Ba'athara. He scattered or it scattered. Harwala. He walked very fast. Daharaja. He rolled over, brothers and sisters. Farka'a, to crack, to split, to explode. And then, brother and sister, zalzala, to shake, to shake violently, fiercely. Okay? And waswasa, see? Waswasa, to whisper, to speak under one's breath. Kah, no, to laugh very loudly. To laugh very loudly. These words, brother, you are familiar with some of them. Yuvasvisu. What is yuvasvisu? Mudariya. Okay, inshallah. Wal mazidu lahu salasatu abwabin. Wahiya. Brothers and sisters, just add ta to fa'alala. What happens? Tafa'alala. Nahu. No, some of these pronunciations are hard, brothers and sisters. Tara, ra. What is the meaning of tara, ra? Nasha'a. To grow up. Okay? To develop. To flourish. To thrive. Tamadmada. Tamadmada, to rinse. To rinse, brothers and sisters. Tadahraja, to roll. To roll again, brother. What is the next one, brother? How many things are added in the next one? Hamza is added in the beginning and the lam at the end is doubled. I hope you will make some conjugation at home when you will write it and you will think it over. Where are the additional things coming? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Maybe I should give you a little hint, brother. What is the original, brother? This is the original. This is the original. And this is the original. And this is the original. Which is? Got the idea, brother and sister? This is the original. What is being added? Well, you added this and you added this. Huh? So it became if, a, lal, la. I will write down now. If, a, lal, la. If you think, what are you adding into it? Huh? Inshallah. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, itma'anna, of course you know that word. Itma'anna, to be reassured. Huh? Ishma'azza. What is the meaning of ishma'azza? To be disgusted. Huh? Huh? Feel disgusted or you detest something. Okay? Iksha'arra. Very nice word, brother and sister. It comes in the Quran. Huh? To tremble. To tremble. Huh? Iksha'arra. To shake. Huh? To shake and to tremble, brothers and sisters. Now comes if and lala. Now in this, you can clearly see that Hamza is added and Noon is added. Huh? If and lala. This bab, you don't see verbs very often, brother. Sometimes you will see it. Huh? Not very often. Okay? Ihran jama. Ifran ka'a. These words are not used frequently. Huh? Rest of it, brothers and sisters, we'll do next time when we meet. I will request you to do the conjugation so that you are familiar with it, inshallah. Especially itma'anna, do it. Madi, mudariya, amar. Do it, brothers and sisters. And the rest of it. 4-letter verbs, you should do all of it. Huh? And also think of majhul forms. Especially 4-letter. Do the majhul, inshallah. You'll become strong, brother. Rabbana atina fi dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata ayunin waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka anta samiul alim wa tub alayna innaka anta tawwabur rahim. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifuna wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakum